Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our drawing lessons channel. Today, we'll draw
Mermaid Chalseay.
from the cartoon Teenge Kraken. Let's begin.
Yes.
For this, we'll need a sketchbook, pencil, eraser, and colored pencils or markers.
We'll also need a transparent sheet for papers.
So, a regular girl, Chalseay, turns into a mermaid.
Watch this video till the end.
Until the end. First, we'll draw her head. Let's draw a circle here. Now, let's draw her hair. We make a line like this. This line is the parting of her hair. From this parting, we draw her wavy hair. Now, let's draw her eyes. We need to divide her head into 2 equal parts. And draw 2 big beautiful eyes in the center. Like this. One eye. And the other eye. Now, look, here we draw her pupils. And here are her lovely black eyelashes. And we just need to add some highlights. Below the eyes, we need to draw her nose. And below that, let's draw her wide smile. Now, let's draw her eyebrows.
Mom, my picture doesn't look nice.
Just keep trying. And it'll turn out fine. Now, here we need to complete her hairstyle. Follow me. Here, we draw ears and earrings. The next step is to draw her neck. And we continued drawing her body. Let's draw this piece of pizza here. And now, we start drawing her waist and hips. Now it's time to draw her legs. But we need to draw them in a way that we can cover her legs with the mermaid tail. We draw one leg like this. Here is her knee. And below will be the edge of her pants. And the other leg will be hidden behind the first one. Now, here we need to draw her feet and shoes. Well done! Now let's draw her arms. Let's draw her right arm. It will be bent and touching her hip. And the left arm will be raised up, as if she's waving. Now let's draw her clothing. We just need to complete her hair and hairstyle to finish the girl's image. It's quite easy. Now, set aside the pencils and take black markers to outline our drawing. The next step is to put away the markers. Take an eraser and remove the unnecessary lines that are left. Did you finish erasing? Then it's time to color our drawing. Now, let's move on to the second part of our drawing. In this section, we'll transform the regular girl Chalseay into a mermaid. Take a regular pencil and draw her mermaid tail. It's essential to draw it in a way that the tail completely covers her legs. Draw it just like in the cartoon. Now, take transparent file for papers and place the drawing inside. Now, pay close attention to what I'm doing. I'm using colored markers to color her tail. It's very important to color it blue first and then go over the drawing with black.
Okay, Mom.
Now take the drawing out of the transparent sheet. Erase the tail we drew with a pencil earlier. Now our two-in-one drawing is complete. We have Chalseay as a regular girl and as a mermaid. Here she is as a mermaid, and like this, she's a regular girl.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button
so you won't miss any new drawing lessons.